Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur.
Power down your OnePlus 3 phone. Remove the dual nano SIM card tray. Remove the following two T2 Torx screws from the bottom of the OnePlus 3. Use the plastic triangle opening tool to release the clips, and then pop the OnePlus 3 out of its rear metal enclosure. There's no pesky adhesive, making this procedure a snap. Disconnect the OnePlus 3 battery from the logic board. Remove the following Phillips screw and then the metal bracket. Detach and remove the interconnect cable. Detach the USB-C port cable from the logic board. Use the exposed clear plastic pull tab to peel the 3000 mAh battery off the adhesive, securing it to the OnePlus 3. Disconnect the 3 cables from the USB-C port assembly. Remove the following 7 Phillips screws. Easily pry up the OnePlus 3 USB-C port, headphone jack, and loudspeaker assembly. Use a spudger to remove the small daughter board. It includes the 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, and some control hardware and spring contacts. Now separate the OnePlus 3 USB-C port and loudspeaker box. Disconnect the signal cable and OnePlus 3 display assembly cable from the logic board. Remove the following 7 Phillips screws. With the cables detached and screws removed, decouple the OnePlus 3 logic board from the display assembly. Peel up the tape and then detach the 8-megapixel OnePlus 3 front-facing camera. Use the spudger to free the 16-megapixel Auto HDR OnePlus 3 rear-facing camera from the logic board. Pop the spring contact connected OnePlus 3 earpiece speaker out of the display assembly. With the tweezers, carefully peel up the OnePlus 3 power and volume buttons ribbon cable. Remove the signal cable from the side of the frame. Extracting the OnePlus 3 capacitive home button and fingerprint sensor is a breeze. If issues develop with the home button, the absence of solder or adhesive will make it an easy fix. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing the OnePlus 3 LCD screen and digitizer assembly to the front frame. With the precision knife, carefully create separation and insert a playing card to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Patiently work around the OnePlus 3 display assembly with picks and playing cards to free it from the frame. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display's cable and the cables for the bottom buttons when separating the LCD assembly from the frame. Carefully peel up the cables for the bottom buttons from the front panel.